Testing a new drill to repair gaming consoles tired of doing it by hand. Quick lil unboxing. I did some research and this drill had good reviews. I got it on Amazon for $50 on sale. Gratatata. Adjustable torque and USB-C for charging. Bits are stored inside stand. Overall solid build quality. Doesn't come with TorqueState for PlayStation 5. Quick disassembly. And now on to the testing. First up is manually with iFixit screwdriver. The challenge is to take off all 30 bolts and then put them back on and see how long it takes. My arm is on fire, but halfway done. This is how long it took manually with iFixit screwdriver. Now onto the drill. This is fun. I wish there were more bolts to take off. Being able to pick the torque is a nice feature. 0.5 leaves the bolt very snug. This how long it took with the drill. If I had to pick, I will pick the drill. Let me know what you think.